Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a simple movement that we teach in our workshops, and it's called the rocking chair. And if you've watched any of our videos, you know that rocking is a tremendous reset for the body, and normally we do rocking, on the hands and knees, moving back and forth, and the list of benefits for that are, well, we don't have all the time to go through the list of benefits for that in this short 3-minute video. However, it's great for you. And this week's rocking, or the rocking chair, is actually, well, it's upside down. It's not on your hands and knees, and it's a form of rolling. And all you do is you sit on the floor, grab your shins, and we're gonna lead the motion, just like when we always roll. We're gonna lead the motion with our eyes and our head, and we're gonna look up and allow ourselves to rock back, and then look down and rock back up. So it's like a rocking chair. So you look up, look down, look up. And believe it or not, this is a powerful reset. It activates your vestibular system. It greatly stimulates the sensory nerves up along your spine. It's good tactile stimulation, basically. And it integrates your eyes and your head movement with your body. Again, making everything move as one. But it's good for your brain, it's good for your body, and it can actually soothe your emotions. Now, you want to be on a soft surface. I wouldn't do this on concrete, so carpet's a good place to do it, and you want it to be smooth. So you don't want it to be a tree falling in the forest, and what I mean by that is, well, that doesn't feel good at all. So you want it to be smooth. So if you don't have the smooth rocking pattern, then we can break it down into a much smaller pattern. And it may be that you have to start here and you just use your eyes and your head, start with head nods, and then get your legs involved a little bit. And you just work that small range of motion until you can get the big range of motion smooth. So, that's the rocking chair. It actually is a very good reset for a lot of people. Some people don't like it because it maybe makes them dizzy. And if it makes you dizzy, don't do it. Keep it small. Maybe just practice sitting here, looking up and down, doing head nods. Maybe that's where you start. But it's the small movements that come together to make the big movements. Anyway, give that a shot. Let us know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.